Welcome back to another video, Garage Mods and Builds. Today's video, what you see here is the moon roof for the 240. It's not a sunroof because it doesn't slide. It just pops up in the back and that's it. You can actually take the whole glass out, okay? Got this on eBay for a solid four something. And bought this handle because the original handle was broken. Got it from somebody stealing my trash can from Nissan. So, all right, but so backstory: the car's on the way from Texas, and the moonroof wasn't latched. That happened. What's wrong with the camera? Hold on, let me clean this up. So the moonroof wasn't latched in the back, which is why I had to buy that handle. And on the back of the trailer, it was in front. So 240 G35. They didn't catch it till it was too late. The moonroof started flapping, shook itself loose, and just blew off, hit the G35 on the front of the hood, right side headlight. So there's scratches all over the headlight, scratches all over the hood from where it shattered. We had to clean out glass and everything from the cowl where the wipers go on the G35. So this is why we're replacing it. Real quick, easy video. Let me show you what you need. So when installing one of these, pretty much what you need is this right here. It's the seal that goes around the entire glass. So what I'm gonna do is set it up, put the seal on first, take the broken hardware off of the moonroof, install a new one, and we can slap it on the car. It should be real quick and simple. And then, yeah. So without further ado, speed it up. We got most of the, well, all of it off. What we're doing right now is just cleaning so we can install a new gasket. But I have made an error and this won't be done tonight. Where it broke from was the hinge section here. And I did not purchase those. So you guys got to see a clean glass with a molding installed, and next video we'll do the installation.
Hi, where is that going? Better not.
Oh, you look so cute though.
Let's see if we can figure this out. Which way is which?
Sounds like a pretty bad idea.
I mean, if you do, just cut there and join it. Adam was stripping the gasket shit, so. There you go. That's it. Let me see that is it. That is it. Trust me. Because when you put the other thing in, it's gonna pull it in. So. Alright.
There's no video there.
Put it on the car and go on the other side.
That latch goes.
Hold up.
Alright, one hand inside. Come down.
We have one halfway latch down glass.
Alright, so now we just gotta get the hinges for here, put them on, and that's done. Only to take it off a couple months from now. And we'll strip the whole car, get it painted, which I hope you guys will be around for. This will be it for the moonroof for 240. But hope you guys enjoy the next one.
Woohoo! Psykings!
Y'all are ridiculous.